Hi everyone, this is Dr. Eileen Yue Ling Han. I would like to share how to mix this wild yam salad. It's a very nice cold cut and good for ladies and gentlemen. If you want to tonify the kidney yin, which you have to go speak to your acupuncturist or your Chinese medicine doctor what that means. Okay, so tonify the kidney yin. This would be one of the nice vegetable you can try. All right. This is wild yam. I want you to see this here look like a pores, look like the hair follicle pores, and you can see it look like a hair. So if you eat this with the skin, it will help hair grow. So it depends on your needs. This definitely can help you for growing the hair. Eating this wild yam with the skin. Let's rinse it. Since we're not going to use the whole thing for dinner tonight, so I'm going to cut about this size for us to use. So this one, we will leave it right here, okay? Now, this one, you can see they're nicely beautiful done. So we're gonna take rid of the skin, okay? So, if you want to grow hair, keep the skin on. Correction, the hair on the head, okay? You want to grow the hair on the head. That's what you're gonna use. You don't have to do that. Because I do remember when I was in high school, the guys want to have a chest hair, so they will use lemon. They spread it, I don't know, just they put it on their chest. I crack up so much, and some people use alcohol, some people use lemon. I was just like, you know what? You're Asian, you're not gonna get any hair over there, okay? Please, all right? So now, because it's raw and then we make it as a salad, since the season is perfect for us right now, is right at the hot July summer. So I'm gonna slice this. This is one of the cold appetizers that I personally like very much so. So most important ingredients are banzu sauce. It's Japanese style. Kikoman made this banzu sauce. And then we use this banzu sauce first. We open it up and sprinkle over. Here you go. Tastes delicious. Wasabi, one of my favorite food. It's a little pungent. It's a little dispersed. So sometimes when our energy is really like tight, you use a little wasabi will really helpful. If you don't really like this much, that's okay. Just put a little bit because you can bring the flavor up, okay? So personally, I put it medium. So this is how much I will put it in there. There you go. Now, I'm gonna introduce you another favorite of mine. It's called yuzu chili. It's yuzu pepper sauce. This one is not spicy hot like the jalapeno, but they have that yuzu is grapefruit. I think they use the grapefruit, make a special marination and make this sauce. It's called yuzu chili pepper sauce. And I got this from a Japanese supermarket. Now we're gonna mix this. When I present it, they'll look like this. But once you can mix it like this. I know many people will consider that, how is this gonna taste like? This is really awesome because the wild yam doesn't have a very strong taste. It's kind of bland. And then you have this beautiful taste and really refreshing on your palate, and taste this crunchy wild yam. It's delicious. This is for my family tonight. It's about 6 people having dinner, so this is a great salad to starting their dinner.